Living longer isn't the goal anymore. Living healthier for longer is. In 2026, health experts are focusing on longevity, and the science is changing how we think about aging. The biggest shift? People are becoming proactive instead of reactive with their health. They're prioritizing strength training to preserve muscle as they age. They're focusing on metabolic health, not just the number on the scale. They're paying closer attention to sleep, stress, and hormone balance because all three can impact energy, recovery, and long-term wellness. And they're using advanced health screenings to identify potential issues before symptoms even appear. The future of longevity isn't about finding a miracle cure. It's about making smarter health decisions today that can help you feel your best for years to come. At Titan Medical Center, we are focused on your health. We want to help you feel, look, and perform your best.